to access airplane mode from the settings icon in the notification bar. Swipe down to bring up the notification bar, and then tap on the settings icon. And once there, you'll want to find connections, or on some Android devices, network and internet. And once you find it, tap on it, and then locate airplane mode, and then tap on this icon to turn on airplane mode, and then wait a few moments, and now turn it off, and we'll wait momentarily for the connection to be restored. And now we can go to our home screen and then try an app or a browser to see if you have internet connection. And for this example, we will use Flipboard. And then we'll want to tap on any page on here to see if we have an internet connection. And if it works, it's a success.